In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit on PowerPoint Online in just 5 minutes. Whether you're putting the finishing touches on a presentation for work, school, or any other project, mastering the art of editing your PowerPoint slides online can significantly streamline your process and enhance the overall quality of your presentation. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you're going to need to access the Microsoft PowerPoint Online platform. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft 365 website. This platform is a cloud-based suite of tools that includes PowerPoint, and it's accessible from virtually anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Once you've arrived at the website, you're faced with the initial step of accessing the PowerPoint tool, but before we delve into that, you need to ensure you're properly logged in. Logging in is a straightforward process. If you already have a Microsoft account, you'll use your existing credentials to sign in. This could be your personal, work, or school account depending on which one is associated with your subscription to Microsoft 365. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is a breeze. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a new account. Remember, having a Microsoft account not only allows you to access PowerPoint Online, but also other tools in the Microsoft 365 suite. After logging in, look for the PowerPoint icon, which should be visible on the side panel of the Microsoft 365 homepage. This icon is your gateway to creating and editing PowerPoint presentations online. Clicking on it will bring you to the PowerPoint interface, familiar yet distinct in its online form. Now, with the PowerPoint application open in front of you, it's time to open the file you wish to edit. If you've previously worked on the file, you can easily find it under the Recent tab, or by navigating through the Shared with Me or OneDrive folders, depending on where your presentation is saved. If your presentation isn't there, you can always upload a file directly from your computer. Click on Upload and Open to select and open a PowerPoint file from your device. With your file now open in PowerPoint Online, you're ready to begin editing. The interface is intuitive, mirroring the desktop version of PowerPoint to a great extent, but streamlined for online use. This means you get a majority of the tools and functionalities you're accustomed to directly in your web browser. You can add new slides, delete unnecessary ones, or rearrange them to better suit your presentation's flow. Simply click on the slide you want to modify, and the toolbar at the top gives you access to various editing tools. You can insert images, shapes, text boxes, and more. Additionally, formatting text is as simple as clicking on the text box and using the formatting options that appear, allowing you to change the font type, size, color, and alignment among others. Another handy feature is the ability to insert comments on specific slides. This is particularly useful if you're collaborating with others. Click on the comment button, choose where you want the comment to appear, and type away. Your collaborators can see these comments and respond, making the editing process interactive and efficient. Remember, all your changes are automatically saved in real time to the cloud thanks to the autosave feature. This means there's no need to worry about losing your progress if your internet connection wavers or your browser closes unexpectedly. You can also manually save a version of your presentation at any point by clicking on File, followed by Save As, giving you a backup that you can revert to if needed. That's all there is to it. Editing your PowerPoint presentations online is a flexible and user-friendly experience that leverages the power of cloud technology, ensuring that wherever you are, your presentations can come with you. Experiment with different layouts, themes, and animations to enrich your presentation and keep your audience engaged. And don't forget to explore the wide range of templates available if you're looking for inspiration or a quick start. Thank you for joining me in this video tutorial on how to edit PowerPoint presentations online. With these simple steps, you'll find that polishing your slides and collaborating with others has never been easier. Happy editing, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.